Hi guys, welcome to Algebra 2 Honors. My name is Miss Cozzi. I'm going to be your math teacher for this upcoming school year. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching in Hillsborough County for 27 years. 21 of those years have been here at Plant High School. I have two daughters that are current students at Plant, a senior and a rising sophomore. The courses that I'm teaching this year, I have 5 Algebra 2 Honors and 1 class of leadership. My 4th period leadership class is the student government kids. They're the ones that plan all the events here at Plant. For example, homecoming, prom, pep rallies, senior calendar, they do that during my 4th period. So if your child's interested in getting involved here at Plant, tell them to come see me. The actual course itself. Algebra 2 Honors is the course in between Geometry Honors and Pre-Calc Honors. The platform that we're going to be using will be Canvas. I know you've heard about Canvas from all of your teachers. It's definitely going to be a learning curve for all of us, you as parents, students, and teachers. We've been playing around with it all summer. There's so much that this platform has to offer. But again, until we actually dive in and start working with it, there's going to be some things that we're finding out how to do on the site daily. So if you work with me, I promise I will put forth my effort to make sure I give you as much as you need to be successful for my course. The supplies that you need. The supplies are going to be listed on Canvas, but I'll go ahead and give you a summary of them now. We need you to have a graphing calculator. The graphing calculator that we prefer is a TI-84. That's because it'll be the one that your math teachers from here on out will be teaching from on the screen. So it's more beneficial for you to have the actual calculator in front of you to be able to see the keys that I'm displaying on the screen. If you have another kind of graphing calculator, then that is fine, but the TI-84 is the one that we prefer. You need a 1-inch binder, 4 dividers, college ruled lined loose leaf paper. You need pencils and red pens. If you have a question about any of the supplies, let me know, and I'll see if we can work something out and I can maybe locate some of those supplies for you. The grades. The math department here at Plant, all of the honors courses has the same percentage for grades. 85% of it is based off of assessments, meaning quizzes and tests, and then 15 will be from assignments. Your assignments are graded on completion. If you've given it an effort and you've tried the assignment, then you will get a perfect score of 100. If you don't attempt the assignment, then you won't. So if, as a parent, if you see a grade that's not 100, it means your child is not doing their assignments. So as parents, if you can stay on top of that, that would help me out greatly. The how to be successful, you need to be present, either online or in the classroom, depending on which way we go. You need to participate, and you need to be prepared. You need to advocate for yourself. If you do all 4 of those things, then you will have a successful year in Algebra 2 Honors. If you have any questions about anything I've said, you can email me at teresa.cozzi@sdhc.k12.fl.us or straight from Canvas, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Thanks, and we're going to have a great year. Go Panthers.